It's the end of the year, and you know what that means. You've put it off long enough, and it's time to clean up your Google Drive. First, let's talk about folders. If you haven't started using folders and you are constantly looking for items in your drive, it's time. Create folders, create subfolders within those folders, and keep going if you need to. Start moving items to your folders and ensuring that you know where to find things. Second, deep clean your files. Ask yourself, what can I get rid of? If you check items for when you last opened them and you see that you haven't opened it this whole year, it's time to send it to the trash. Now, if you are someone who absolutely refuses to get rid of any item whatsoever, at least make it easier on yourself. Create a folder and title it Old Items or something like that, and move those older, less accessed items to that folder. One other thing, if you are a Google Classroom user and you see a folder titled Classroom, do not delete this folder. These are your Google Classroom classes. Third, check your starred section. Do you need these items? If not, right-click on the item and select Remove from Starred. Finally, check your settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Check your storage and make sure you have enough room for your items. If you are working from a Google Workspace for Educators account because your school subscribes to that service, you will be fine on space, so don't worry about it. Other settings to check. Turn on the converter if you want any Microsoft files to be converted to Google files when uploading files from your computer. This includes Word to Google Docs, PowerPoint to Google Slides, etc. Check offline access if you want to be able to access files when not connected to the internet. Last, check app access. Ask yourself whether or not you want to give access to any of these apps. We hope this helps you get cleaned up at the end of your school year. Check back with us and access our previous newsletters for more tips and tricks.